How to fix Amazon error code 7136. If you want to fix the Amazon error code 7136, this is an issue that is normally common on the Prime Video app on TV. And you could be having a couple of issues. First of all, you want to make sure it's not the internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a proper internet connection. If you're using Android TV, you can try to uninstall or reinstall the app, or go to its app info and go to its storage and clear the cache files and clear the data of the Prime Video app. Based on where you're watching from, also go to its respective app store, check if the Prime Video app is updated to the latest version. If this doesn't work, then you can try to uninstall the Prime app from your TV and reinstall it, sign out and sign in back again, and then that should sometimes help you solve the problem. So hopefully this video helped you on how you can fix Amazon error code 7136. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.